I now request our guest of honor, Dr. Pula Cheslong, to share her thoughts with us.
Good morning, everyone. I would really thank Principal Brother Stephen for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be as a guest of honor. I really thank the parents as well for presiding over this function, and it is actually a very absolute honor to stand before you today as a proud alumnus of Montfort Matriculation School. Coming back here does bring a flood of memories for me when I was walking, and I think it was the first day when my dad dropped me here. As every kid, I didn't want to go to school. I used to cry, say like, no, don't leave me and all of that. But I think looking back, I've realized that it was really crucial, and it just goes on that way. And little did I know that this school would become the foundation of my dreams, shaping me into the person I am today. Montfort was not just a school, it was a second home, a place where learning went beyond textbooks and every student was encouraged to dream bigger. One of the greatest strengths of this school is its unwavering commitment to nurturing every child's potential. Here, we were not just taught lessons, we were inspired to believe in ourselves, which is actually really important. Even the kids who did the superheroes, we are our own superheroes, be your own superheroes, which actually plays a very crucial part in everyone. As a child, even as they grow and become into an adult, it does play a very important role. And the encouragement that we received wasn't just limited to academics, it extended to sports, arts, leadership, and personal growth. I cannot talk about my journey without mentioning the incredible teachers who guided us every step of the way, like Candy Miss, Poonam Miss, and Monica Miss, and Shirley Ma'am as well. Their dedication and support went beyond the classrooms. They celebrated our successes and failures, and always ensuring that we never lost confidence in ourselves. And the teachers, they were more than just educators, they were mentors, cheerleaders, and even second parents. It is this deep bond of trust between parents and teachers that makes Montfort truly special. Parents knew that when they sent their children here, they were placing in the hands of educators who genuinely cared, who even nurtured not just intelligence, but also discipline, character, and kindness. And at the heart of it all is the school's logo, Wisdom Always Leads. These two words are more than just a logo. They are a philosophy that we carried with us long after we left these walls. Wisdom is what gives us strength to chase our ambition, make the right choices, and contribute meaningfully. For me, Montfort was more than just an institution. It was actually my launch pad. It prepared me for the challenges ahead, gave me confidence, and instilled in me values, and that continued to guide me. Today, as I stand before you, I am a testament to the fact that Montfort doesn't just educate students, it builds leaders, dreamers, and achievers. To all the students, kids, parents here today, cherish your time at Montfort, soak every lesson, every friendship, every challenge, because one day you will look back and realize that this school was not just a part of your life, it was the place where your journey truly began. Thank you so much for everything.
Your profound message encouraged us and will resonate with us for a long time. Thank you, ma'am.